At the council meeting this afternoon, I've set out details how the Rainbow Coalition's Cynghorydd Enfys intends to work and what areas we will prioritise early on. There are many things we can be proud of. I believe that one of the strong features of this council is the way we are able to work together across the political groups to do our best for all of the communities of Neath, Port Talbot. The coalition has achieved a clear consensus on the things we intend to focus on and how we want to work together. We have a first-class workforce, and on behalf of the Rainbow Coalition, I want to affirm our commitment to further developing the partnership with the Council's recognised trade unions. The Council's workforce was extraordinary at the height of the pandemic, and we are very conscious of the hard work being done across all services as we move from pandemic into recovery. We will be prioritising continuous engagement with our communities, as well as acting on what we heard on the doorstep during the election campaign. Hearing from residents and taking the time to clearly explain what we are doing or not doing will be at the centre of our work. We will also be making a renewed commitment to working in partnership with others, the voluntary, private and public sectors, to discuss and agree where we have a shared agenda. Our early areas of focus include acknowledging the importance of our education and social services. We want to give all children the best start in life, whilst also safeguarding and supporting children and vulnerable adults. We will make sure these services benefit from strong political leadership and support. We will give greater priority to our visible services. We have been told you want safe, clean and attractive neighbourhoods. In response to that, we'll be making early provision in the Council's revenue and capital budgets to improve our public spaces and neighbourhoods. We will complete a remodelling of the Council Economic Development Function too. We are better placed to secure the exciting private sector interest in the county borough, strengthening our local economy. I'm proud to lead Neath Port Talbot Council. I'm looking forward to delivering for our towns, villages and communities. You can read my full statement in the link attached to this post.